Hello everybody, Albanides Konstantinos here, and I would like to show you very fast how you can enable um, on demand on each playlist, okay, to Azuracast. So first of all, I would like to explain exactly what this on-demand feature is for Azuracast. Um, to Azuracast, you create particular playlists. As you can see here, I have created some playlists. You can enable the on-demand. Let's go to, let's say, blues and jazz here and click edit. We can enable here in on-demand player. Okay, if we enable the on-demand player, you can see the short description here. If this station has on-demand streaming and downloading enabled, only songs that are in playlists with this setting enabled will be visible. In demand, it means exactly that playlists allows the listeners to access specific tracks or content from the playlist whenever they want. Okay, they can click to the to specific tracks, and they can listen to those, not having to wait for them to be played in the scheduled rotation. Okay, uh, this feature is particularly useful to the station, uh, because it's giving users control over what they want to hear. Okay, offering them the ability to select and play tracks from the whole station catalog as they see it from the particular playlist. So you just have to I'm gonna show it again. You just go to your desired playlist, you click edit, and you just have to enable for this playlist the including on-demand player. Okay, and we just click save changes. That's it. Okay, you see that now we have the tag here that it says that blues and jazz is on demand and it's scheduled. Okay, I'm gonna show you to another video how you can easily schedule your playlist. Thank you very much for watching this video, and I'll see you to the next one. Bye bye.